y'all, this is Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much, and be sure to subscribe so you can keep updated with my latest videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for checking back in with me so you can see what I'm up to. Today, I'm going to be working on a simple Valentine's decor item that I like to utilize on the center of my kitchen table. Super easy, inexpensive, utilizing just items from the Dollar Tree. Can't wait to show you guys and to see what you're able to come up with on your own. Okay, here are the items that we're going to be working with. First off, I hit the dollar spot at Target and got these set of 3 bottles for $3 each. I like these specifically for this project, but also because y'all know that I garden a lot and I have a lot of cut flowers, and these will be wonderful for some of those cut flowers. They have the option of just plain clear glass or kind of this bottle glass where it has a little bit of a bluish green tone. I went for the bluish green tone. And then I swung by the Dollar Tree and I picked up a variety of Valentine stickers, a little bit of pink burlap ribbon, some wire. I've also got some candles, taper candles. These are going to end up going inside these, which will be absolutely adorable. And you're also going to need a pair of scissors and some hot glue. So let me show you what I come up with. I did check to make sure that my taper candles will fit in the holes of these little glass bottles. If yours do not, you can certainly use a knife to kind of shave down the edges of it to make sure it fits securely. If yours are too loose, you can always wrap them with a little bit of masking tape to make them stay in better. Up cutting the burlap ribbon in half because I thought the ribbon covered up way too much of the glass bottle. Also, this helped my ribbon go a little bit further. I used some simple hot glue to secure it in place and did this on every single one of the bottles. On the remaining 2 bottles, I wanted to do something a little bit different so everything wasn't too matchy-matchy. I utilized the red floral wire and wrapped it around several times on the bottle. Then I used a little bit of hot glue on each end to set it. If you have metal scissors, they're excellent for holding hot glue in place. Once the hot glue has firmed up and dried and cooled a little bit, your scissors pop right off. It helps to prevent you from burning your fingers. The next step is to attach these cute little stickers from the Dollar Tree. They each have adhesive backs, but I went ahead and used a little bit of hot glue to secure them in place. I put a heart on one side and then turned the bottle, and also put additional decor on the other side. That way, no matter what side of the table you were standing on, you would see hearts peeking out.
And that's it, you're all done. After you finish with your bottles, be sure to add the taper candles. Press them down a little bit to make sure they stay securely in place. And remember, if you choose to light these, make sure you stay in the room and pay attention to them so as not to have any type of fire hazards. Another cute idea for these would be to add a little bit of colored water. You could use a little bit of food coloring and water mixed together. Perhaps a pale lavender would be beautiful in these bottles, or even a bright pink. Hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. As always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be.